In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address on Shein's website. This process is straightforward yet essential, especially if you've changed your location recently and want to ensure your packages are delivered to the right place. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and head over to Shein's website by typing shein.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Shein account. To do this, look for the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner of the site. Click on it. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, your email, and your password, and then hit the Login button. If you've already logged in, you can skip ahead to the next part. Now, assuming you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your address book. Look at the top right part of the website again, and you should see your account name or a profile icon. Hover over this and a menu will drop down with several options. Click on Address Book. This section of your account holds all the addresses you've saved for your past orders on Shein. It's a convenient little tool for managing where your packages go, especially handy if you have multiple locations or travel frequently. Once you've clicked on Address Book, you'll find a list of addresses you've previously used or saved. To update an address, look for the address you want to change and find the Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open an editable form where you can make changes to your existing information. Here you can update fields such as your street address, city, state, zip code, and any other critical details necessary for your location. Double check all the information you enter to ensure accuracy. After all, any errors might lead to delivery hiccups. After you've reviewed and updated your address information, simply click the Save or Done button, usually located at the bottom of the form. This action will save your changes and update the system with your new address information, ensuring your future orders will be delivered to the right location. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your address on Shein, a simple but essential task to streamline your shopping experience. Keeping your address information up to date is critical for hassle-free shopping and ensuring your eagerly awaited purchases arrive safely at your doorstep. Keep this guide handy for any future updates or if you manage multiple addresses. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.